Hello everybody. I wanted to come to you today and talk to you about the Doterra Dawn humidifier. If you haven't seen this, I highly recommend you watch this video and learn a little bit about it. It is an amazing support right now for immune boosting support and respiratory support. It's really important that we get good drainage happening in our body so things don't become stagnant. And this humidifier is amazing because you can put the essential oils in it. And so let me show you real quick. I just filled up the humidifier. You can see all the water in there. It's a very large capacity. And I put 10 drops of oil inside. I actually put the On Guard and Breathe. So On Guard is for immune support and Breathe is for respiratory support. So great things to have at this time. So I basically would hit this on button and there's 3 different levels. You can see how much air comes out of here. Let me see if I can get you. That's the lowest level right now. Okay, I don't know if you can see the air coming out. And then number 2 would be here. You can see a lot more air coming out. And then number 3 would be this one. So that's a lot coming out. So it's an amazing support to humidify the room that you are in and to keep everything flowing. So this is a great support system. There's also a night mode for sleep mode that you can use as well. So this is something I recommend everyone doing, is having a humidifier and using the essential oils to support our systems. And right now I think Doterra does have a package deal where they are selling the humidifier, the Dawn humidifier, with the On Guard and Breathe, and it is a great price on it. I am not sure exactly on the wholesale price on that, but I will definitely get the price. You can definitely message me and I can send you a link for that. It's definitely an amazing support. You can see how much is coming out of there right now. It is a lot, and this is definitely something we should be having all the time just to keep everything flowing and draining. It is very important for us at this time, or any time. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you haven't seen this, if you know someone that can help you with this, if you don't have a Doterra wholesale account, contact them. I have access to it, so you can contact me as well. So just let me know if you have any questions, but if you do not have this, I highly recommend you get this and support your health and wellness systems. All right, sending you guys big hugs and health and wellness, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.